AI is everywhere, but what's actually happening inside a tool like ChatGPT? Forget complex code and vector databases. Today, we're going to explain how a large language model works by building the perfect AI pizza. Exactly, that's exactly what you heard. To understand an LLM, you first have to understand what it ate. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients, the training data. The LLM's training data is basically its ingredient library. Imagine this library contains every book, every article, every Reddit thread, and every conversation ever published online. The LLM consumes all of it, learning every possible word, every sentence structure, and every single fact. But the LLM doesn't just learn the ingredients, it also learns the relationships between them. If you see the words pepperoni, mozzarella, and crust, you know it's a pizza. The LLM learns those same statistical connections. So the capacity to store all those millions of statistical connections is what we call parameters. The bigger the parameters, the larger the kitchen, the smarter the model. GPT-4 has so many parameters, it's like having a huge industrial kitchen that can memorize 1 billion recipes. All right, now, second part to the story, the chef's goal, token prediction. The fundamental purpose of any LLM is simply token prediction. Token is the unit of language. It can be a word like apple or just a piece of a word like ink. When you type a prompt, the LLM starts a chain reaction. It looks at your prompt, calculates the most statistically likely next token, generates it, then looks at that new result and calculates the next token again, and so on. Think of it like a statistical chef. If you say, I want a pizza with tomato, cheese, and the chef doesn't think about what tastes good. He just knows that out of the millions of orders he's seen, pepperoni is the most frequent word to follow. So the LLM is basically a calculator, not a thinker. There is one limitation, the context window. This is the chef's short-term memory. He only remembers the last few sentences in your order. So if you give him a huge 50-step prompt, he might forget the first 3 ingredients you asked for by the time he gets to the end. All right, the third point here, the human touch, fine-tuning. If the raw LLM is just a data crunching calculator, why does it talk so nicely? Because of fine-tuning. After the initial massive training, the model is guided by humans who rank its output for quality, tone, and safety. This is called reinforcement learning with human feedback, or RLHF. This is how we take the raw data chef and turn him into a polite assistant who doesn't generate harmful or incorrect information. Finally, your conversation starts with a prompt. The order ticket. Your prompt tells the chef the style. Make a pizza, long text, using only Italian ingredients, that's the tone, and make it spicy, that's the style. The quality of your order determines the quality of the final pizza. So the quality of your prompt is really important. All right, summing it up. An LLM is not a brain. It is a powerful, highly trained statistical chef who's memorized the entire world's menu. It does not create new recipes. It just predicts the next ingredient in the perfect sequence based on all of the data it has consumed. So, does that make sense to you? Is there any other complex AI topics that you'd like me to explain with an analogy? Drop it in the comments below. And if the pizza and the chef analogy clicked for you, hit the like and subscribe button for more AI explained simply.